Hey, hey everyone, my name is Harish and welcome back to this video where I am going to walk you through 10 AI tools and I genuinely think every student and professional should know about in 2026. We are living in an era where AI is not just a buzzword, it's real, a practical set of tools and that can save you hours of work and make your projects look 10 times better. And honestly, just make the life easier. In this video, I'm going to show you the each tool live and what it does, how to use it, and why it matters. We got the AI search engines and AI that reads the documents for you and AI that makes presentations, generate videos, clone voices, and create images and more. All right, starting with the tool number one, the Perplexity AI. Now, the most of us use Google when we want to search something, right? But here's the problem with Google. It gives a list of links, and you have to open each one through them. The Perplexity completely changes that. It's an AI search engine that actually reads the internet for you and gives you the direct and structured answer which with the resources. Watch this. I'm already typed there. What are the top AI trends in 2026? And see how it gives the full answer with the certification right there on the side. I can click any of these resources and will to verify. And the best part, I can ask the follow-up questions in the conversation. This is honestly the future of the search. It is free to use, and I use it every single day for the research and the assignments. Tool number two is Notebook LM by Google. And honestly, this one is a game changer for the students. Imagine you have a huge PDF, a textbook chapter, or a lecture slides, or a research paper, and you don't want to read a whole thing. You need to upload it to the Notebook LM, and it becomes your personal AI tutor that only knows your document. Watch. This is the user interface of the Notebook LM by Google. Here you can upload a PDF or anything someone else and it gives a perfect summary. I can ask the very specific questions that pulls the answer directly from the document. But here's the real wow moment. This is the AI overview button. I click this, I literally creates a podcast style of conversation between the two AI boards discussion by document. I can listen to my notes while computing. As a student, this is alone a worth everything. Here, it is the tool number three, the napkin area. Raise your hand if you ever had to make a diagram for a project and spend a way too long in a PowerPoint and trying to make a decent look diagrams. Yeah, the same. The napkin AI solves this completely. You can paste your text or paragraph or any concept and it automatically generates a beautiful diagram for you. I am going to paste the diagram about a certain thinking process. Here it is. I am already pasted that yeah, one command. And here you see that the diagram and the text are given by the napkin area. I am creating a multiple visuals for me right now. I can pick any styles I like. I can click here elements and edit them. I can export this and drop it straight here. It is a tool number four is Gamma. And this one is specifically for the presentations. And we all spend an hour of making a PowerPoint slides, right? Gamma does it literally 30 seconds. I'm going to type a topic of impact of an education and choose a presentation and click generate. While it's generating, it watch this done in under 30 seconds. Now I have a fully designed and professionally looked presentations in multiple slides and proper structure, beautiful design and elevated the visuals. I can click into any slide and edit content. I can make changes in thing and can add or remove the slides. This is how I plan to make all the presentations from on our one. For college projects especially, this saves hours of work. Here, it is a tool number five, Synesthesia. This one genuinely blew my mind for the first time. I used it. Imagine creating a professional video without ever turning a camera, without any acting, without any editing software. You type your script, you pick an AI avatar from a 140 options, and it generates a video for avatar speaking your script in any languages. Watch, I will pick this avatar, a top, type a script here and preview it. Here that it is not a real person, that's AI. The lip sync and the tone, the delivery, the completely AI generated. This is a being used for the companies for the training videos and product demos and corporate communications. For our purpose, imagine making a presentation video without recording yourself at all. Here it is here. Tool number 6 is 11 Labs, and it hands down the best AI voice generator available right now. I'm going to type the sentence and the artificial intelligence enhancing the way we live, learn, and work. And I pick the voices called Rachel, and I click the generator and play the audio. Did the sound like a robot to you? No, the sounds like a real person. Here it is a user interface of a 11 slabs. Now watch what happens when I switch the completely different voice and generate the same one. The completely different person and the completely realistic. Now the really wild feature, voice cloning. The 11 helps can analyze a short recording of your voice and replicate it. You could literally have an AI speak in your own voice. This is used for the YouTube videos, audiobooks, podcast voiceovers, and possibly articles. Here, it is a tool number 7, Runway ML. This is where the thing get really fantastic, and the Runway lets you generate the actual video clips from just a text description. I am going to type the fantastic city sunset with flying cars, and he generate. While the process, the runway is usually acted by the Hollywood filmmakers and content creators. It's just a talk, and the look that full video clip generated from nothing but words. I can also upload a still image and have a runway animated into it a video. This is the technology that is going to completely change the filmmakers and content creators by addressing the fact that we can access it for free. That's remarkable. This is the user interface of the Runway HTML. It can generate the short AI videos from the text or images. The key features the text to video, the image to video, and the video editing with the AI. It is used for the industrial leading video generating qualities. Here it is, the tool number 8 is Ideologram AI. An AI generator with a superpower. The most AI image tools like Midjourney or DALL-E are terrible or putting the readable text inside images. The letters always come out that garbled or wrong. The ideogram actually gets that right. Watch, I will type the conference poster for AI summit with the bolder text and it look like a result. The perfect for making the posters, the event banners and the YouTube thumbnails. A social media graphics or anything where you need to words in a visual image. Let's Let's me try a logo. The minimalist logo for a tech startup called NextGen. The beautiful here it is pay to use. It is the user interface of the Ideogram website. The key features generates the image from the text prompts and accurate typography. The unique is the best AI tool for logos, posters and banners and readable texts. Here it is the tool number 9, Chronicle HQ. So we have seen the Gamma for presentation and Chronicle is for when you want to go one step further and create something more visual and cinematic and more like a story. The Chronicle lets you to build a scroll based visual stories. It's kind of those beautiful long form web stories you can see from a big branch. I will click a template here. You can look how the stunning this looks. I can add the sections and drop text and add images and videos when I preview it. See how smooth it's scrolling the animations are. This is the perfect for the project showcases and portfolio pieces or anytime you want your presentation to actually impress someone visually, which look like a turning your content into mini website. Here it is the last tool and the tool number 10, the notation AI. So the notation is already one of the best productivity and note making apps out there. And they have built a day directly into it. The beauty here is the instead of switching the between the tools, they live straight where your work is. Watch, I will type some of the notes about this we just made. Now I can press the space. I'm improving the lettering and rewriting this messy notes into clean and professional posts. I can also highlight a long document and click summarize, instant summary. I can ask it a brainstorm ideas and generate the action item from the meeting notes or the fixed grammar. Here it is the user interface of a notation AI. Here we can ask anything of the notes. Which like having a writing assist built into a notebook. As a student, this is a perfect for cleaning up your notes and before exams and turning a rough intro into a proper paragraph for the assignments. And that's all the 10 AI tools. Let me do a quick recap. We looked at a Perplexity AI for the smart research, Notebook LM to chat with the study materials, Napkin AI for the instant diagrams, Gamma for the AI presentation, and Synesthesia for the AI videos. The 11 labs for the realistic AI videos, the Runway ML for the AI video generation, the ideogram for the AI images with the text, the Chronicle HQ for the visual storytelling, and the Notation AI for the writing and notes. Every single one of these tools are pre-planned that you can start using today. I did recommend to start with a Perplexity and Notebook LM if you are a student. Those two alone will change how to study and research. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful and it gave a solid overview for AI tools are right now. See you in the next one.